Further afield, imagine a single brush stroke that carries centuries of emotion, philosophy, and history. For over 2,000 years, Chinese calligraphy and painting have been more than art. They are the soul of Chinese culture, blending beauty with profound meaning to inspire generations. Our reporter Marlon Samuels provides insight on how these ancient traditions continue to thrive today.
Chinese calligraphy, originating over 2,000 years ago from inscriptions on oracle bones and bronze vessels, has evolved into a revered art form emphasizing the elegance of brush strokes and harmony of characters. It's a reflection of the artist's character and emotion, setting standards for grace and moral integrity.
Chinese calligraphy and traditional Chinese painting are two important art forms of this part of the world. Traditionally, people used to write with the brush and also paint with a brush and ink. They express themselves through different method of writing and painting, sometimes in a quick measure, sometimes in a slow manner, and they will put the whole spirit in the creation of their artwork. So it is a good way to appreciate the life, the landscape, the social relations.
Meanwhile, Chinese painting, with a history spanning over a millennium, features themes like landscapes, flowers, and animals. Techniques such as ink wash and brushwork blend poetry, calligraphy, and visual art into a unified aesthetic, embodying philosophical ideas like harmony, flow, and spiritual connection.
Chinese painting separate by technique is two different kinds. Depends the materials. We're using the roll paper or the ripe paper. The roll paper we call free brush work, which give the form, color at the same time. And then the ripe painting we call fine brushwork. Make outline first and then coloring the painting little by little, make it different painting.
Today, these art forms flourish seamlessly, blending tradition with modern innovation, remaining vital expressions of China's cultural identity and historical continuity. Chinese calligraphy and painting continue to be powerful symbols of cultural pride and spiritual connection, inspiring future generations while preserving China's rich history and fostering innovation today. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting for the news on PBCJ.